What is up, you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I created this asymmetrical flamethrower goddess type look with the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. And like any other Juvia's Place palette, this palette is bomb, but I'm not going to get too much into it because I'm going to give you guys my overall thoughts at the end of the video. But if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then please continue watching. Bye. Oh. Hi. Okay, you guys, so getting right into this video, I went ahead and did one eye off camera just so I can get an understanding of what I was trying to do exactly. So this is this eye all done, so now I'm going to demonstrate with this eye for you guys. And first I'm going to start by priming my crease area. And I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Or is this? No, this is in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going to start off by taking the yellow shade out of the Afrique palette. And it's called Aya. And that will be going right in the inner corner of our crease. And I'm using this Luxie 111 brush. It's very small, very precise, so that we can keep the color in the designated area that we want. And just stamping that in there. So now I'm taking my Luxie 141 brush, and I'm going into the orange shade, which is called Dakar. And that'll be placed right next to the yellow shade. So basically just how it looks on this side is what we're doing to this side. Obviously. And now for the deep burgundy shade, we're dipping into Benho. Benho, I don't know how that's pronounced, but it's this shade right here. And I'm using the Luxie 121 brush. And once you have the colors placed down, you just go back through all three shades just to blend them together and to blow out the edges just a little bit, just to make everything nice and seamless. Y'all know, just want everything to be nice and blended. Okay, those are placed, so now we're going to cut our crease, and to do that we're just going to use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just gonna put some of that on the back of my hand. And I'm taking my Morphe 213 brush to cut my crease. I like using a smaller, more precise brush to cut my crease. I do use this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush that I kind of press down to make into like a cut crease brush, so now it's like super thin. But I do enjoy using more smaller brushes. Okay, so now that we have that part cut, I didn't drag it all the way down here because we still have one more cut that we're gonna do, and I don't want to pile on too much product. Back into the yellow shade, and we're going to start on the outside since it is the lighter shade, and we're going to work our way inwards this time. But I'm just taking this art brush. It's a Dollar Brownie flat shader brush, and it's just an art brush that I got from Walmart. These work just as well as eyeshadow brushes, and they're very precise. So and now dipping into the burgundy shade, we're going to place that into the middle. And I didn't want to do it exactly how you guys thought I would do it, because if I did it yellow at the beginning and then burgundy, orange, yellow, and then yellow, orange, burgundy, the orange will always end up in the middle, and so I didn't want the orange to always end up in the middle. I did want some abstractness, so to speak, so that's why I'm doing it the way that I'm doing it. Okay, now for the orange, I'm going to put that into the inner corners. And now for the last and final cut, I'm just going to do it like I'm doing wing liner. So I'm going to take the concealer and just start to form a wing. And again, just taking my artist brush, and we're going to basically do the burgundy first, yellow, and then orange, and that'll finish off our eye. So let's get into that. I hope y'all can tell the distinction. Like, y'all can see the distinction on camera as much as I can in real life, because it actually looks pretty cool. But on camera, it kind of looks like some of the colors are merging. So hopefully y'all can see that. Okay, and last but not least, for the lid, what I did in my brow bone area was I took just the tiniest bit of coffee and the tiniest bit of Angelique, the two shimmer shades in the palette, and I mixed more of coffee into it because I wanted it to keep that gold undertone. And I just popped that on my brow bone. And that's pretty much all we did for the eyes, folks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera and finish up my face makeup, and I'll come back and do the lower lash line with you all. Okay, y'all, so I'm back to finish off this eye with you all. So basically what we're doing is taking the same exact colors that were on the top and placing them on the bottom. So starting off with the burgundy shade, I'm taking that on the Luxie 121 brush and just popping that closest to my waterline. And I'm taking this fluffy brush. This is one of those dual-ended brushes that came inside of one of my Anastasia palettes, and I'm just taking that with the yellow shade and placing that below the burgundy shade. Like so. And now I'm taking my Luxie 141 brush in that orange shade, and I'm popping that in between those two colors just to blend everything together. And last but not least, just with my finger, I'm going to dip into the shade Coffee. It's that shimmer shade that we put into our brow bone, and I'm just going to pop that in our inner tear duct area. So now what we have left is our highlight and our lip color. Okay, and real quickly, I'm just going to spray my face, and I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray, and it's the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And it wouldn't be right if I didn't use this, so I'm taking the Juvia's Place highlight, and this is in the shade Nefertiti, and I'm just using whatever is in the lid. For my lip color, I wanted to do like an orange type of shade, like a hot orange type shade. So I'm taking the color Doll, and this is the AOA liquid lipstick. And I'm just placing that all over my lips. I need to just invest in some liquid lipsticks because this brand is horrible. And I don't know why I still have them, but yeah, I'm finna take it off anyway, so. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look, and like I said at the beginning of the video, just like any other Juvia's Place palette, this palette is A1 like the rest, very pigmented, very easy to blend and work with. The color selections in here is great as always. I love this blue color and this green shade right here. But you guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you are new to the family, hey, how you doing? My name is Tony. Nice to meet you all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.